Hello everyone, this is part 2sp.net. In this video tutorial we'll learn text box, label and button. How we can transfer the data from text box to other text box label by using the button option. Okay, let's get started. I have done this demo. The name is for advertisement purpose. So if I will put any name, like I will put name here RIZWAN. So you will see after entering the data by using the button option, the text box also gets the data from the text box, the first one, and also the data is displayed in the label. So here we have used two text boxes and one label. So how we have designed this page we'll see in the Visual Studio. Okay, so that's we have done before as a demo. Now we'll use another page. It's very easy to create a new page. Web form. Give any name to this form. Registration. Add. Okay, we can split this window into two halves. We can give here the title, Al-Aziz and RIZWAN Learning Hub. By using CSS we can push this name to the center. Style equal text align colon center. We can use another div and we can draw a table. Insert table, 2 column 2 rows. The first we are going to enter name or data. The second is display name from text box and display name in label. So we can design this page by using the toolbox. Add the text box here. Copy this text box. Text box 1, text box 2. The ID will be changed for each text box. This is text box 1 and this is text box 2, and go into the properties. So you will find the ID for this text box. So ID is text box 1. Also you can change it to txt1 or something other name. Okay, and then we will add a label. From the toolbox we'll add a label. So we can remove the text from the label, and we can also increase the size of the label to large. Drag and drop a button from the toolbox. Change the text property of the button. Save data or name, any we can give. Save. Okay, I have already done the code. So this code will be available in the description of the video. So you can copy this code. Double click on the button option and event handler will be generated for the button. Copy paste this code, Now view in browser, enter name RIZWAN. So you can see from the text box 1 data is transferred to text box 2, and from text box 1 the same name is displayed in the label. So we will see the coding. So label 1 dot text. So label 1 is capturing data from the text box 1, and label text box 2 is also getting the data from the text box 1. This is text box 1. So, and after getting the data in text box 2 and label 1, the text box 1 will be empty. So we have given the code here, text box 1 dot text equal string dot empty. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.